Welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we will show the problem summary of our LSA VGL MBV1. Let's go and open our box. For the first step, you require parts 1, 2, 3, and 6 parts number 10 the feet. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require part 2, part 4, 2 part Bs. The item does come with a screwdriver, but you need your power tool if necessary. Let's assemble. So, when assembling, you'll see part 2, there is 2 holes here. You can use the back hole in line with the hole here. For the next step, you require part 3, part 4, 2 part Bs. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require previous assemblies, also parts 5 and 6, 4 parts A the screw, and 2 parts D the screw. Let's assemble. For the next step, require previous assembly, part 1, part 7, 6 part Bs. Let's assemble. We're going to be attaching it to part 3. For the next step, require previous assembly, part 8, the top board, and 10 part C. Let's assemble. For the next step, require 2 parts 9, 8 parts C. Let's assemble. Thank you for watching the processing of a LSA VGL MBV1. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our pro assemblies, more of our products. Thank you.